Hey there, welcome to NextGen AI Lab. In this very first video of the series, I'm taking you on a quick tour of HeyGen Studio, a platform that lets you create AI videos fast, simple, and as easy as writing a short paragraph. Think of this video as your roadmap before we dive deeper into each feature in the upcoming episodes. We'll start right from HeyGen's homepage, create a brand new video, and pick a ready-to-use template. Ready to roll? Let's jump in. Let's start from the HeyGen homepage. Click Create Video to begin. For a faster start, you can choose a template from the HeyGen library. In this example, we're using a learning and development template
Ever struggled with
featuring
topic
the
in your
avatar,
work?
Annie. Once you select your template, you'll land inside the editing studio. Here's the layout. There are 4 main sections: the script panel, the canvas, the toolbar, and the scene timeline. Let's walk through each one quickly. The script panel is where your story begins. Type directly into the panel, upload an audio file, or record your voice inside. HeyGen, once your script is in, click Preview to hear it back. You can highlight any word to adjust pronunciation, or click the pause icon to add natural breaks. Want to change the voice? Click it to explore different languages, accents, and speeds. Pro tip: you can also translate your script right inside the panel. No need to leave the editor. Next up, the canvas. This is your creative space, where everything comes together visually. Every script needs a speaker, so start by adding an avatar. You can select a custom avatar from your library or browse HeyGen's collection of 700+ diverse public avatars. Once added, adjust the framing to fit your scene just right. Now let's talk about the toolbar. Here you can bring your video to life by adding text overlays, media like images, videos, and music, elements like shapes, stickers, and icons, or even captions. For accessibility, each asset can be animated. Use the animation markers in the script panel to control when it enters and exits the scene. Want to connect your scenes with a bit of polish? Just hover between them in the timeline and add a transition, like a slide, fade, or flow. When you're ready, hit Preview at the top. If everything looks good, click Generate. And just like that, your video is on its way. And that's your first look at the new HeyGen Studio. We'll go deeper into each of these tools. Don't forget to subscribe. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to create faster, smarter, and more beautifully with HeyGen. You don't want to miss it.